This festival season, Track, Tangible Reshaping Attitudes for Community Change, invites you to celebrate safely. As part of our festival fun, we have a number of great mocktail, non-alcoholic drinks with all a festival flavor. And today, we're with the Sicilian Festival and the Independence Museum, and Robin Abrams, the Public Relations Chairman for the festival. Looking forward to another great event.
It is going to be an absolutely great festival this year. We have so many great bands that will be playing. Of course, the museum will have artichokes and Italian cookies. So we're looking forward to all the great food that we'll have at the Sicilian Festival.
And with all Sicilian families, food is really the mainstay at the main table. And that, I think, is one of the largest draws that you have is the homemade Sicilian and Italian food.
We have everything from spaghetti to Italian sausage, lasagna, you name it, we have it right here at the Sicilian Festival. So just come on out, enjoy yourselves for the whole weekend. It's always a family reunion. So you know that. It's going to be right down in downtown Independence.
And with that is music. We have a great lineup again. I think in addition to the food, the music is always a big draw.
We do have great music. This year, again, we're bringing back the Dominoes and Ryan Foray. We also have the Chiwis playing on Saturday night.
So easy to get to, like you said, downtown Independence. Just come down 51, take the Independence exit, and it's right here.
Right there. Park where you can along the highway and just make it on across the railroad tracks. You'll have a great time.
And with us also is this year's Queen, Cadence McKinney. And Queen Cadence, what a great time. We're looking forward to this year's festival.
Yes, I'm so excited. It really is a big family reunion, all of us getting together, celebrating each other and where we come from in our culture, and along with eating, like you said, the great food that we have to offer as well.
As Sicilian Festival Queen this year, what's been one of your highlights that when you relinquish your crown, you said, oh, that was a fun, maybe crazy event?
Yes, so I get the opportunity to travel around Louisiana, and one of the places that I got to go to was over in Cameron, Louisiana, and I got to hold a Nutri-Rat.
Okay.
It was definitely an experience for sure.
So Nutri-Rat,
Yes.
when last April, whenever you were crowned queen, in the back of your mind, did you ever think,
Have
I may be holding a Nutri-Rat this year?
absolutely no idea whatsoever, but it was definitely an experience, and I'm glad that I got to take it away from that.
Well, no Nutri-Rats at this year's festival.
No, not our festival.
What are you looking forward to for this year's festival for you?
Other than the food, because we do have incredible food, it is a family reunion, and so I'm just looking forward to getting together with everyone and spending an incredible weekend with everybody, with the incredible music that we have lined up and dancing, and just having an overall good time with everyone.
Well, speaking of good times, we have a wonderful mocktail here. It has a little Sicilian festival flair to it. And with that, we'd like to thank Track. They do a great job of encouraging everybody to get out, celebrate safely. And so we appreciate them doing this video for this year. 6fortheseason.com is where you can find this video, as well as other great recipes. So let's start off with a Limoncello Spritz. So first, we'll start off with some ice and some Pellegrini.
Picture?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're going to add
Very
the
good.
Pellegrini in here.
And we like to use Pellegrini. It's a sparkling water. It kind of gives that effervescence flavor to it.
And
so about two cans, which is about 2 cups of water.
And we're keeping it Sicilian style.
Sicilian style. All right, and now we're going to add some lemon juice.
It's about a cup of lemon juice, which is about 6 lemons freshly squeezed.
Okay.
That gives us that strong lemon flavor.
Yes.
And next is sweeten it up.
All right, now we're going to add some simple syrup to sweeten it up a bit.
Which is about between 1/4 and 1/2 cup, depending on your taste. All right, then we'll let this sit here. Then to make the glasses fancy, let me move this out your way.
All righty, we're going to take our glasses and we're going to dip the rim in some water, just a little bit, and then we're going to go over into some sugar, spin it around.
All right, we'll do one more here for everybody.
A little bit of water, back in the sugar, total spin. Some good on there.
That adds just a little more flavor to it.
Yes.
And now comes the great pour part. Always want to get that out there. Ooh, it smells so lemony. You can smell the lemon just like.
The spruced up lemonade.
And this is great for all times of the year. It's nice and fresh. And then to go ahead with the garnish to finish it up there.
All right, we're going to add some lemon to it.
A sprig of lemon to make it all pretty.
Pretty cute.
You know, in Sicily, the lemons they grow there are huge and amazing. their lemon spritz. They're amazing. I'm not
A lot of people don't realize lemons are a major citrus on the island of Sicily as well.
It is. Mhm.
All right, and then add some
So,
mint.
little mint spritz there.
Mint. Make it pretty.
All right, with that, we like to invite everybody to come out to the Sicilian Festival. It'll be a great time. It'll look great fun, family fun, and just we look forward to seeing everybody. Cheers.
Cheers.
Salute.
Salute.
Salute.